So just when I thought I finally caught a break in life, something had to break. I was in the process of removing the reservoir overflow hose here, which is this thing, and if you'll notice, you see all the jagged edges on there on the end of the connector? That's because part of the connector is still stuck inside this hole. So now I'm gonna have to buy another one of these things. This overflow hose goes all along down here. Here's the original part number from when I bought it from the Ford dealership, about 50-60 bucks about 3 years ago as well. So it looks like I'm gonna be out 50-60 bucks regardless. And I just called the local Ford dealerships around here, and since today is Sunday, all the parts departments are closed. There is an AutoZone that has it in stock, but it's about 50 miles away. So it's either I try to drive 50 miles away, or I wait until about 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning and go to one of these Ford dealerships, assuming I can even make it to one of these Ford dealerships. Planned obsolescence. This is what they design these things with. They know how to mix the plastics and come up with formulas and design things a certain way that they only last a certain amount, a limited amount of time. Take, for example, my old reservoir cap. The top part of this broke off, and I actually had to fish the rest of it out from in here when I first started having overheating problems again. You see the replacement one that I had on there? It's a little bit taller. And by the way, side note, I tried to reuse the O-ring that broke off from this one, and I added it as a secondary O-ring on this one to try and compensate for all the hairline cracks in this old 3-year-old reservoir tank. But that didn't work. These parts are designed to work under heat, extreme heat and pressure, and they design these things out of the shittiest plastic imaginable. This shit is pissing me the fuck off, guys.